Write a possible equation for the following graph using transformations. Use a coefficient of -1 or +1 and answer in the form of an equation. So the shape of this graph, it looks kind of like a parabola lying on its side, but also it has a part that goes one direction and a part that goes the other direction. This is going to be the graph of a cube root function. The cube root function looks something like this, but we need to apply transformations to it. So the base transformations for all of our function are put a multiplier a on the outside, underneath or inside the function, put a minus h, and then a plus k. And then the h and the k, those are the vertex points, and the vertex here we're just thinking of as this point right here. So that's the point of interest, h and k, and its coordinates in this case happen to be 3 on the x, 0 on the y. Now, the graph of the cube root function usually starts back here at the vertex opening this direction. So what's nice is there is no coefficient applied here. So if I had the graph going in the opposite direction like this, then what I would need to do is apply a negative on the outside of the graph. So for this coefficient a, I would have to put a negative. All right, so nothing goes in for a, and we just have the cube root of x, so minus the x coordinate of this point, which is 3, and then plus k, which is 0, so we don't really need to put that on the outside. So this is the function that would produce that graph.